Good morning, bro. So, today we're gonna talk about purpose. Do you have a purpose? Do you even know what a purpose is? Because today I'm gonna explain to you what a purpose is and how it has such a meaningful thing to have a purpose. So, first of all, what is purpose? A purpose is something that gives you energy to do something. You could kind of explain it like that. Like, purpose is something that you are meant to do. Purpose is kind of the thing that you live for to do. It's kind of your goal in life right now. It's what you think about when you wake up. It's the thing that you think about when you go to sleep. So purpose could, for example, be your sport. Purpose could be your business. Your purpose could be your marriage or relationship right now. So right now I have my purpose, which is business and my sport. And what you need to think about is that purpose is kind of like a layer. So imagine like you have a big round cube and think about the outside layer. Right now, this is my business. Let's say I get good at the business and I can make a living of it. Then the outside is getting peeled off. Now there's a new purpose inside. And that could maybe be my sport. And then it gets peeled again and there's a new layer, which is unknown right now. But it's kind of amazing to think about how important purpose is. If you don't have a purpose, then I will highly recommend that you do something called, I think it was Ikigai. You can just research it. It's something with 4 circles where you find your purpose, which is something that makes you a living, but at the same time something that's meaningful for you and the world. Really cool thing to do. That's how I found my purpose. So that's how you find your purpose. And now I've explained what a purpose is. So I just want to talk a little bit now about how motivation actually lies equal with your purpose. Because let's say you have a purpose, then you will be thinking about the purpose all the time because it's something that you strive for. That means when you wake up, you will think about it constantly. When you go to sleep, you will think about it constantly. It actually helps you find motivation to do something. It's kind of your motivation. If you live a life without purpose, it's kind of hard to be motivated because you don't know really what you're working towards. You don't have a goal. If you don't have a specific goal, then of course, then you're just gonna do the easy. Fuck. Then of course you're gonna do the easy thing, which is just taking your phone and scroll on social media. But of course we wanna avoid doing that. But it's hard. It's simple, but it's definitely not easy. So I just wanted to talk to you about how grateful I am for having a purpose, because I'm doing things that I would never have done before. Right now the time is 6:10 or something, and I feel amazing. Like I feel tired, of course, but you gotta sacrifice something. But other than feeling tired, I feel fucking amazing. I have school in 1.5 hours, and I'm sitting here working while everybody else is sleeping. That's fucking nice to think about. That's because I have a purpose. I can do this because I have a purpose. Amazing what it does. So yes, remember what I always tell you? Watch, learn, and implement. That's how we grow. Have a lovely day, bro.